everyone. Pam here with Inspect It Like a Girl and the Fix It 101 podcast. Something we talked about on the show this morning was getting a new roof as a result of a storm. We have had some wicked bad storms come through here recently, and so folks are going to be looking at filing an insurance claim. Well, insurance may not cover the flashing, and that's the metal stuff that goes around your chimney and around any penetrations on the roof. Consider asking your roofer what it would cost an upgrade in order to get your flashings redone. Folks, you don't want to live in a 40-year-old house with a 2-year-old roof and the flashing is 40 years old. That's where your roof leak is going to occur. So think about that. Get the flashing done when the roof is redone, even if the insurance company doesn't pay for it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget about downloading that podcast, Fix It 101, on any podcast app.